Today we'll take a look at how to change data in Excel from a CSV type of format to text in columns. So if I look at the different types of data that I sometimes receive in Excel, it kind of looks like this. I'm even thinking of the reports and things that we get from the banks. So CSV obviously stands for comma separated values, and that means that they're bringing the text into a block of data, but they're separating the columns by commas. Can't tell you exactly why they do that, but there is a reasoning for it. But what does happen is that a lot of times I end up with data that looks like this, and I need to actually convert it into something that's usable. So what you can do is to select the data, because you'll see this actually just sits in one column. So if I had to double click on that column, you'll see this is all just text in one column. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that column, and once I select it, I'm going to go to data, the data tab, and then you'll see there's something called text to columns. I'm no expert at the whole convert text to columns thing, so a lot of this is normally guessing for me, but it ends up working. So I'm going to use delimited, which is characters such as commas or tabs separates the fields, and I can see that there's commas in this, and it's definitely going to work. And then also you can then add and say, what is it that separates your data? So I'm going to leave it on tab, but I'm going to say, you know what, I want to use a column as well. And as you add some of these, you'll see it'll start adding and changing the fields or the columns in your spreadsheet. So this helps you to actually define as well which it is that you have to convert to actually change it into different columns. So I've just chosen comma for now, and if I go next, you'll actually see it's going to say, yes, that doesn't look too bad. And voila, that's actually not bad at all. So you'll see that it's now gone and it's changed and put this into columns for me, which actually looks perfect. You'll definitely get better at this as you work with the data and as you recognize the data. But there we go, a very perfect and easy way to split up that boxes or single columns of data that you get in reporting sometimes, and that's called a CSV file most of the time, and how to take that and actually change it with text to columns function in Excel. I hope that solves a couple of things for you, and we'll chat soon.